Hey guys, here's Ty again with another video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Today we're going to make samosa shapes. Stay tuned. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, and we are going to make a well in the middle and add our 3 tablespoons of oil, a half a cup of water. It can be either lukewarm or cold water. If the water is not enough, you keep on adding until the consistency of the dough is suitable. At this point, I added a half a cup of water again and continue kneading. This process you can always use a hand mixer or a KitchenAid. I added another half a cup of water and scrubbed around my dough to get the rest of the flour into my one dough. After my dough was one and I was happy with it, I covered it in a plastic bag for 15 minutes and I prepared my oil and my extra flour that I'm going to use in the next step. My dough is now set. Now you just dust it up a bit, roll it out and cut it into favorable sizes. You're done with your round balls, roll them out and add 1 tablespoon of oil on top. Spread it nicely, add a bit of flour, not so much, and place it on the side. Do the same exact thing with your other doughs. And when you're done, you can add, if you think the flour, you can add flour if you think it's less. Place them on top of each other and add if you think it's less again. The process is actually easy when you already have the dough. I used to think like making samosa is really hard until I tried it myself, and I think with this recipe it's quite easy and you get the best results. After you're done, give it a hand touch to spread it a bit because it's a little bit thick. And when you're done, you can roll it out, and it has to be as flat as possible or as thin. Actually, it has to be as thin as possible. It can also be very large depending on the size of samosa you actually want to make. And this process too is not that bad, and it's not that hard, actually hard here. When you're done rolling them out nicely, preheat your oven and place your dough for 8 to 10 minutes to get the best result. When it's done, take your dough out and start separating it gently. Be tender with it, give it some love, because it's really tricky sometimes to separate it. It needs a little bit patience. And as you can see, my dough is done. You can see the way I'm folding it, playing around with it, just to show you how nicely it's done. After we were done, sis had to improvise and take something which was round. Please don't laugh. And cut it out. And they were actually looking perfect. And I really enjoyed them, actually. And guess what I did with the rest? Fried them and ate them like that. They were so crunchy. Guys, if I can do it, you can too. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave the comment below for the things I need to improve or something that you want me to make next. It will be my pleasure. And as you can see, sis got to make samosa.